Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. I look pretty beat this morning. We got a late start to the video. Not that late, but I just didn't start it. I haven't started my day yet. We just woke up a little while ago. It's 11:45. It's Wednesday, August 22nd, and I'm just all over the place. Grecia woke up this morning asking me for a taco, and I don't have tortillas. So I told her that I was going to order us breakfast, and that's what we're gonna do, is go pick up some food for us to eat. We're gonna vlog today. I'm getting adjusted and all that. Damn it, I didn't connect my laptop. I need to upload a weekly spread that's super late because it's already Wednesday and I'm barely uploading that video. And then I have to upload, I have to edit a makeup video. But I wanted to talk to you guys real quick about the August BoxyCharm and all of the drama that's going on YouTube right now about Laura Lee and everything else. Like, what do you guys think about it? I'm not one to go into the drama or to like listen to it or anything like that. I just don't like what she said. So because of that, I don't own any Laura Lee products except for that palette that came in the August BoxyCharm box. So I don't know if I'm going to use it in the video. I think what I'm going to do, and I'm just saying this just to tell you guys why I'm not going to use the palette, because she did make some racist remarks and I'm not for that. So I don't think I will be using the palette this month. Also, it's because there's only 6 shadows in that palette, and I think if I wanted to really create something good for you guys, I'd have to use more shadows. So I'm probably going to use that palette, it's a party palette, I don't know what it's called, in another video, but I won't be doing it with like the BoxyCharm box video. I'm not going to use it with that. What I think I'm going to do is film another Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, because I already did a video using Bling Boss. So I think I'm going to use, I think the yellow one's next, the yellow palette next. I'm not sure what it's called. I never learned the names of it. I might use one of those and then just use the products that I got in the box with that video. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys, just because there's just been so much stuff being said and whatnot, so whatever. But we're gonna go pick up some breakfast right now, baby girl and I. Last night it was so funny. She put lipstick all over her face. I was editing the video from last night. You guys, there was lipstick everywhere. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna insert one of the clips right here, see if I have one. Are you having fun? And then shortly before that, she started counting 1 through 5 in Spanish. I haven't shown you guys that, but I think I posted it on Instagram or somewhere, I'm not sure. But she just sounds so cute, so I'm also gonna show you guys that real quick, and then we'll probably see you guys when we get back home with our breakfast. Are you counting? Cinco.
Dad, mommy.
Count. Dog. Count the stickers on your leg. Count them. Count. Uno.
No. Dos.
Tres.
No.
Tres.
Oh, because.
Oh, it hurts.
Because.
Count. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco.
No,
Now you.
uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, dos.
Yay! High five. Woohoo! So we just got home. We're going to eat breakfast, and then I've got a million and one things I need to do today. Do I want to do them? No. Do I have to? Yes. There's a freaking pear in between my sofa cushions. I washed my face last night and it still looks like I have something down there.
Mommy.
But I don't. There isn't a mess. It's just like her toys that are here in the living room that I need to pick up. I also have to wash clothes. I want to wash the truck. I want to vacuum the truck. So that's just what we're gonna do today. We've got, this is her taco right here. It's bean and egg, and then I got a fajita taco. And yes, we're eating in the living room on the sofa. Why not? But do you see the red on her lips? It won't come off. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, you're so funny. Alright, so we just woke up from our 2-hour nap. Baby girl was really tired today because last night she went to bed sort of late. Okay, but I'm gonna start on dinner and then I'm going to clean, so I'm just gonna show you guys that. You guys, I have no idea what I just made. It was literally one of those times where you just like put stuff together and wing it. We've had all those foods together together, but not combined in one pot. Especially not with the seasonings that I use. So we will see. Also, I think the music is too loud, so I'm just gonna go over this again. Good job, baby. Guys, nobody taught her that. I never taught her to put her own dirty dishes in the sink, and this girl does it. We are here. We just had our dessert. We had a little cup of vanilla ice cream, and I don't know why it's not focusing on the cup. Cup. Can you put this in the trash, please? Oh, you're drinking the... Here, put it in the trash, please. Yum, you're so smart. I love you. Oh, you got some on your eye. It's okay, little ice cream never hurt nobody. So yeah, ooh, I look a mess. We were eating dessert, and right now we're looking for something to watch on YouTube, but nobody's uploaded anything. Like, I haven't either. What is this? I tried cleaning like Love Meg. Let's see that.